The best way to improve your performance in the NEET exam is through regular practice. Gyaanbee for NEET ensures students can practice regularly in expert-framed questions through our question banks. The question bank section has chapter-wise questions. Choose a chapter and practice a set of questions from the chapter. If you are getting a lot of incorrect answers, you should take some time to read the chapter's flashcards and then resume solving the questions. As you answer questions, our powerful learning algorithm identifies your strengths and weaknesses. Once this analysis is complete, the machine sends suggestions to the recommended for you section on the home page. You can take up the flashcard and the question bank set from the home page and enhance your preparation. Use Gyaanbee for NEET for at least 15 minutes a day, and you too could score 360 out of 360 in NEET Biology.